All right, folks, today we're going to talk about dreams into dollars, how to finance a successful business, and I'm going to give you some really good intel, strategies, and things you can walk away with immediately. How do I start a business? According to the business journals, getting the right funding can be crucial for growing a successful business. Proper financing can be a tool that helps you improve your cash flow, make additional investments, and pursue new opportunities. However, securing financing may be difficult, especially for small and mid-sized companies. Now, it could be difficult for many different reasons, but let me give you one that stands out for me. As we really exploded on the scene and our revenues went from 700 to 2 million to 5 million, we wanted to dump into a massive social media campaign. And because our company had multiple owners, we always, when we went to a bank, had to go to multiple owners to have multiple paperwork filled out multiple times. And it really became a challenge because there was times that we really wanted to make advancements and it had to get slowed down as a result of it. That's something to be aware of. I often talk about it, and that's when you have to understand how important it is to really make sure that the I dot and T cross along the way, and assume whatever business you're doing that you're going to step into and put all your time into, that it could be one of the greatest businesses ever. And if that's the case and the money gets big, the egos get big too. So you always got to be ready for that. You can finance a small or growing company in various ways. It's a matter of knowing which financing solutions to use. Let me give you an example of Epic. In the beginning, I don't think anyone really thought, unless they were in the business, what this could actually do, especially for our outside people. However, we had 3 folks come in that wanted to own 1% each, and they wrote 6-figure checks. Those folks to this day have not only been paid back, but they get quarterly distributions. So this was non-traditional financing. I didn't go to a bank for this. I went to people that the resourcefulness was there because they knew what the business could do, but they couldn't do the business, so they wanted to be a part of it. They had extra cash, and they wanted to have their money work for them while they were sleeping. Brilliant move. Number 1, suppliers and clients. This is for someone that is not getting a non-traditional loan or having a hard time getting a bigger size loan. So check this out. You can use your suppliers and clients to finance your business. What does that mean? Clients can help you fund your business by prepaying for their orders. Prepayments can be hard to get, but they're obtainable if your services are in high demand or if your product is unique. We're talking about scarcity here, folks. Both suppliers' terms and client prepayments are a cost-effective way of decreasing your need for external funding. It's something to think about. Number 2, SBA microloans. If your business needs less than $50,000, these are easy to get. Consider an SBA microloan. They are ideal for new and growing businesses and for companies that can't qualify for conventional financing. Microloans are provided by specialty lenders, but are guaranteed by the SBA. That's important. They often include certain planning and training requirements designed to help your business. Remember, they don't want to just give you 50 to give you 50. They want to make sure that you understand the deployment of this 50 to make sure that business works. And by the way, if it does work, it can lead to bigger loans. 3, accounts receivable factoring. One way to improve cash flow is to factor your receivables. Factoring works by selling your open invoices to a finance company who pays for them up front. This payment provides you with funds to run your business while the factoring handles invoice collection. So let's say if your receivables, I'm making numbers up, are 100 grand, they may buy it off you for 40,000 because you need cash now, and then they get to pocket the 60 if they do it the right way. I know in the insurance business, agents have renewals. Sometimes they sell their renewals to other folks, third parties, who buy them at 20 or 30%, knowing that they're going to be able to get the renewals up to 80, 90, or 100%. It's a great way to make some money if you're the person buying them, and if you need cash in the short term, then factoring could be a necessary evil. Asset-based funding. Okay, asset-based funding allows your company to finance its main assets: accounts receivable, inventory, and equipment. Lines secured by receivables and inventory behave much like lines of credit. Lines secured by equipment behave like term loans. Asset-based funding offers an intermediate solution for companies that have outgrown factoring, but can get conventional financing. What I said before was you want to be able to get those short-term loans, those smaller loans, build your business up, get your business credit up, show that you are actually profitable year over year, and now you can come in and get a much bigger loan. 5, lines of credit. Lines of credit can be well suited for established companies that need funds to improve cash flow or to make new investments. The creditor does not lend money itself. It acts as a secondary guarantor for banks that offer the service. Your company still needs to comply with lender covenants and must demonstrate to the lender the ability to repay the funding from its own cash flow, pay your bills, so your line of credit can stay open and maybe even get bigger. So business is a spiritual game, and if you I.T cross and think about the end in mind, knowing that in the middle there's going to be some major advances and advantages in your favor, it's important you understand who to talk to, how to talk to, and what questions to ask. Go ahead, click the link below. One of the team members here at Epic is an expert about planning your business and showing you exactly what to do. It's not binding. Keep your checkbook in your pocket. Thank you for checking us out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more videos like this.